nilaunch yung eGov Super App sa San Juan,
Oo.
you were encouraging even the seniors,
Yes.
your fellow seniors,
Yes.
na
Ikaw naman.
madali lang. Kanyo, madali lang ikanin nyo.
Madali lang talaga.
It's easy
Yeah.
to navigate. Why the push? Kapansin-pansin po yung push ninyo, even yung mga halimbawa, serbisyo ng PhilHealth, naka-link na siya na dapat naka-register ka sa eGov app. Why the push?
Because that's the only way. That's the only way to do it. You cannot operate in 2025 na kinakamay-kamay mo ang forms, pupunta-punta ka sa opisina, you take 3 days, 3 araw, kasi akala mo tapos na yung dokumento mo, ay hindi, may kulang pa ito, pumunta ka doon, tapos lalapit na yung fixer sa'yo, ay nako, the whole experience, the whole bad experience. So, that doesn't work anymore. And if we are to compete as a country, as an economy, kailangan natin makipagsabayan. And look at China, how digitalized China is. We have to be at that level. Look at Singapore. Look at Korea.
Yes.
Ito yung mga karatig bansa natin. These are the people we do business with. So to be able to do business with them properly, we need to digitalize. But digitalization is not only for business, for education. It's absolutely imperative now that children know how to use a computer. They know how to use the internet, and they know how to do work on the internet. Hindi na pwedeng hindi. It's not an option anymore.
And are you satisfied with eGov, the app?
Yes.
Do you actually use it for actual transactions?
Sure.
Kasi halimbawa, may mga, dati may hotline tayo, tawag kayo, pero walang sumasagot.
Yun, mga ganun.
Ito ba?
Oo.
Ito hong eGov, pwede nyo bang itaya yung pangalan ninyo, gamitin nyo, it works?
Because unang-una, sinasabi, walang sumasagot doon sa telepono. Wala nang tao talaga. Wala nang tao. You don't talk to a person. You just do lahat ng gagawin mo digitally. I made sure nung sinusulat pa yung code dyan, ang test ko lagi, ang sinasabi ko, kailangan isimple ninyo. Kailangan napakadali. So, tumingin kami, we did a little study. There are 89 million Filipino Facebook users. So sabi ko, dapat yung app natin, yung eGov app natin, kung kaya mo mag-Facebook, kaya mo mag-eGov app. So, hindi na kailangan masyadong turuan. What is now, ang kailangan lang natin gawin ngayon ay ipaalam sa tao na may ganito. Huwag na kayong pupunta sa opisina. Kung yung mga nakakatanda, yung mga hindi masyadong sanay sa computer, kahit na grade school, alam na nilang gawin yan. So,
ang naiisip ko halimbawa, this farmer from Tarlac, for example, or Pangasinan, na walang access siguro sa internet o walang access sa mga smartphones. Paano kaya sila?
Matututo sila because tuturuan sila. We will have to educate our people. But again, 89 million, that's a good majority already of Filipinos who can. Halimbawa, may magsasaka, hindi talaga walang pagkateki. Yung anak niya, kaya niya turuan. Kaya siyang turuan. But they have to know that it is available.